Beautiful. This is good. Let's look at the E. Um, yeah, it gives you a hard time. That's okay. You just didn't put images, I guess.
Yeah,
That's okay. No, you don't need to waste time on that. I just want to double check that
it works. Send me the image.
the migrate went through in the right way. So in the education, there should be in the institution, Daniel, is that right? We added those fields
Yeah.
yesterday. Good. See, I'm not saying Brenda. eh,
Yes?
by the way, I don't see here. You see, it didn't add here it didn't add a field, so it didn't go through to them. It didn't go through.
Oh, let me migrate.
Go back to the Git. No, no, no. It has nothing to do, sweetie. Because
Okay.
this is fine. Go to the Git and do a pull again.
Let me know. Let me go on. Maze. Bien.
Okay, let's see. In fact, it seems like, you see, it says the boarding.
Yes.
It didn't really do and that's what I was afraid it happened to me too. Have you did any changes on your computer?
No?
No. So I tell you what we're gonna do. I just closed that screen, but I will open it again. There's two commands. I just did it yesterday. Let's look at the arrow. I think by the arrow, let me do it again. Yeah, this will be easier to read. It tells you here, your local changes to the following measure will be overridden by merge. And, but I don't want to make merge. And this is something so annoying. I have no idea. I thought I put it in the Git and it's still going there. I'm gonna delete the whole thing. That's what I did. I found those two commands. Yeah, I think this might give me, yeah, I think this is the one that, let's run those two commands and then it will run, okay? I
Okay.
just the command for now. It should do okay when you're getting this kind of an error, okay?
Okay.
It's it didn't really go through. It looks like it did, but when you read, Daniel, I want to check on yours too, okay? In a second. Yeah, that's might take care of this problem. Okay? Hopefully. Okay, now if you do a pull, it will work. Okay, it did you see that? It did the
Yeah.
pull, okay. Your system is fine. Now, if you go to the pie chart, so pay attention when you do that, that you get ready, you don't get a board or something in the future. Okay? Now, if you
Oh,
go and do the neglect, it should be okay. See, it's doing the neglect. These are the two things that we have done. Beautiful. Now I'm happy. Hey, Daniel, let's
Yes,
make sure that it's also fine on yours. I think on yours it did go through, okay. Go ahead, Daniel. Go and check if you have those fields. You know what I mean? You know, you can go all the way down. Did you fill them up?
yes,
Okay, so it did go through. Yeah, you're okay. Yeah, beautiful. And those are in the database. Beautiful. Okay, so yours is fine. Beautiful. Okay, so we're good. So Brenda, why don't you write those two commands somewhere,
okay.
or at least the link to that what we found. And let me start really something. I will share my screen. By the way, Brenda, I'm working on this project, which is really quite exciting, to be honest. It's very exciting. Uh, it's what I will share with you as our progress. See that will work. It won't bother to transfer to the Academy City. This project I will not change, so it won't make a difference. But this is just to let you know, this is really now, everything we did, now it will start coming out, okay? It will really start coming out outside. People will start recognizing what we're doing. This is a very, yeah, I'm getting an error here. Where is that? Page number 7. I was in the middle probably. Yeah, I was in the middle of something. Gosh, look how fine it now. Oh, I think. Over here. Refresh. This is fine. It's probably inside here. Most likely it's here. What did it say? Corporate Eve. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I need just, I was just in the middle of really, that's the place I just got. I stopped. I'm just was editing this one. This is a piece of art. It really is a piece of art. I don't have this function there. The fact, you know what, if I take that away, I will deal with it later on. But it should work. Um, what it does like now. Yeah, I knew that. I tried. I was in the middle of something. I was doing that. Yeah, he doesn't like that. Let me. It's really is. The reason is, it looks like okay, I commented out, so why I'm getting an error. The truth of the matter is that Jinja is trying to do it before it gets there. So although I commented out, it will give me an error. Okay, so it's a very tricky one. So I will be fine. I'll put it back just because I really do want to work with it later on. Uh, you want like me? I will take it out. That's okay. I will deal with it later on. It's really I'm taking something I have done in another place. I will leave it here for now. I'll get back to that. No, not here. It should really be. No, where did I put it? I'll leave it here for now. So I want by us. And see, this is really beautiful. See, this is my old framework, but I'm gonna make it nicer. So this really will be much, much nicer, okay? But this is also, I'm building up a model that will make it so nice inside. So we will work on it. This one you are familiar with, guys, don't you? Remember, Brenda?
Yes.
We did those kind of things. We did it in the Uganda economics, correct?
Yeah.
Here I took it one step further, very, very much further, that those clicks, they are like have a manager, okay? What do I mean by that? It's, there's an object, okay? I won't get into that today, but we will go over that at some point. Has a manager, and it's such a smart one. This one, the whole thing is really like, uh, let me close the whole thing. Let me close this one for a second. It has a manager, and this is an object. And that object, okay, when I call sim manager, it is really managing all the tapes. And these really those commands in the end of the day are capable to create tapes. And the way it does it's really complex. So as we go along, I will share with you. Let me just minimize. I don't know why all of that opened up all of a sudden. Maybe I closed and opened it. Yeah, it's okay. See, the nice thing is that you can control and put, this is the object. I will go over that with you. Okay, it's a hard one. You don't really have to know everything. As we go along, you will. This is but really, really hard. The beauty here, see, you can see, I can add another folder just by doing the following, which is really powerful. I will just write my name here, okay? And you will see it adds so much power to, it will make a folder, will make everything, okay? Now if I go here and I refresh, you see I have Amos here, amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
So, and all of that is just by building up the right component. People using React and all of that, but they cannot really do those kind of things. Those ones are really it's you have to build up your own, and you need to know how to do it. Moreover, see this one, every time I had to add one, it really was a nightmare. But I'm gonna move this part, for example, to this one. It will be inside this part. This part of the data, okay, it will be inside the data. Okay, it will be really nice, like here. But I might even do it. I don't know. We'll see. But we will put it in the data. Moreover, I'm working on some very sophisticated part that will make our website very distinguished. We're getting there. Step by step, we get there. People will start knowing about us. This one, I'm hoping to get this guy from NYU. He's a very well-known professor there, well connected. There's two people here in Israel interested in this application, but this is a little too hard for you guys from the finance, from economics, but we will see, okay? You
Okay.
catch up, it takes time. It doesn't come in one day, but at least you know where we're heading, and over time you will catch up. That's life. For now, you're doing good, okay? That's how we'll get later on. But so I'm gonna leave this one aside. So I'm not going to touch I'm not going to transfer from the development to the Academy City. And that's really the one thing that it's so scary. I'm going to go step by step. And please watch if I'm making a mistake, and I might, okay? Very normal to make a mistake. There's so much into it. So I'm going to open the Academy City project and start transferring stuff one things at a time. And hopefully we won't make too many mistakes, or we'll be able to fix them, okay? Let's try to remember what we did. Under Academy City, we have the apps, remember?
Yes.
And then after we did that one, my questions, I'm really thinking what will be the best way to do it. Go step by step or duplicate. Let's see. We did under the app, we made this one, correct?
Correct.
So theoretically, really all those applications, I should really just take this one, copy it, and remove all the other one in Academy City, correct? So I will do a paste. Okay, and now let's see which application we took away. BizLink, I should really remove the BizLink, correct? It's really scary, but maybe I should do a backup first. What do you say?
Yes.
I think so.
Better.
I think you're right. Let's see, two. Here we go. I will copy to here. How do you copy? This is always driving me nuts. Come on. How do I copy it? I always forget how to do it in something so simple. I don't know. Oh, how do you copy to another place? It doesn't let me. Okay, I think I might know what to do. Oh, it does let me know. Copy to, that's the way it works. Let's see if I got it on the desktop. You see here? Yeah, here it is. Okay, good. I have a copy here. It's scary if you do a mistake here. It really is. It's so easy to make a mistake. So at least we know we have a. Okay, good. So now that we have, I'm more relaxed. So we want to delete the Beesland. Beesland, here we go. Goes away. Next one is check Chicago. Correct. Then we have education. Anybody see education? Here it is. Okay. Then we Fab. Everybody see Fab house? Yeah. You following me, guys? Portfolio. Can you hear me, guys? Hello?
Yes, doctor, we can hear
Okay.
you. We can hear you.
Okay, good. Daniel, you with me?
Yes.
Good. Watch this that I don't make mistake. The portfolio, I think we put
Okay.
right inside there immediately in the right place. I didn't have portfolio here. Okay? So that's okay.
No, you.
Correct. That's correct. So portfolio, I didn't have radius. And what? Okay. That was stage number one. We have done that we know. The next things is there any other application we touched? Corporate valuation, I'm not going to touch for now. Courses, anything. Did we do any changes here? I don't think so.
No?
Is that right?
Yes.
Just trying to think. Is there any things in here? I can't remember really. Theoretically, what should be is that I will be able to copy everything here and move it to there, and I don't have to think about it. You know what I mean?
Yes.
But really courses, anything, we'll see. I don't think did we touch anything in the core maybe?
No.
No.
I don't think so. Okay, let's see. Okay, now that we finished with that one, we have to look at this one, the yuan. This one we did change. Correct? This one we did change. And the one we did change, it's for those guys, if I'm not wrong. Okay, all the ones that we transfer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all those 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there should be a portfolio too. I don't see a portfolio here. Where is it?
There.
Portfolio is there.
Well, yeah.
It's the third. It's on the
2,
third
3,
line.
4, 5, 6. So which one I missing? Ah, this one too. All of those, is that right?
Yeah. Yes.
So let's see now. And here, we need to go to here. And okay, after a while, all of those will be just fine. Let's go here. And why does it do it? I have no idea. Okay, so let's see which one we don't need anymore. The C we have. The E, where's the E? This is the E we have, we changed that. The P, where's the P here? Oh, we didn't have a P, is that right? So that's
Yes.
It's
an
there.
F. It goes away.
It's
Doctor, it's
Yeah,
there.
November 3.
I don't think we have a P here.
No.
No, we didn't have a P before. Then we have the R and the B. And where is it? The SWAT clock. I think I need to copy every, I don't know if I copied everything the way it is. So just to let the SWAT clock, where is the SWAT? There we go. We don't need that one either. Good. I think that takes care of it. Am I right?
Yes.
What else did we change?
In settings. Doctor,
Yeah.
in settings.
In what?
Best.py, the settings.
I can't hear you, sorry.
Under the settings,
The
invest.py
Setting,
file.
correct, correct. You're right. Now, we changed the base. Yeah, we had to change that as well. We have local app. So let's go here. Let's go here. And let's go here. Let's go here. We can close this one. And we can go to the setting here. I can close the apps. That's correct. We made a little subgroup kind of. We changed here too, didn't we? That's less kosher. I think I did the same, isn't it? The same things. Development. I think I can copy the whole thing as it is. Yeah, it's the same things. Yeah, let me do that. That will be. I think I did copy it the way it is, so I won't have to. Let's see what happened. Okay, that should take care of the changes we made. Yeah, we added that one. Is that right?
Yeah.
We added it to the list. Everything should be just fine. Okay, what next? Setting, media. By the way, the truth of the matter in the media, I should delete everything here. Okay? I will eventually. I will do that. Not now, but I will. See, everything's here. All those images, I should already have them because they go and upload it there. They really shouldn't be there. When I'm loading it to the server, they shouldn't be here. The problem is I won't be able to check if it works. But it's okay. I will delete that one day. Media. Static, did we do anything on static? Didn't we? Shouldn't we just go and copy the whole static as it is?
Yes.
I don't remember, did we change anything? Anybody can remember?
No, not, we never change anything.
We didn't touch it?
Yeah.
We didn't touch.
We did or we did not?
We did not.
Ah, let's see. Yeah, I don't think so. We'll see. Templates in here. I think we did. This one we did. I changed. I probably did. I put those boxes here. But that's are not really important. What I'm gonna do is let's do a copy of this one and take it to there and see what happened. Okay, at least that's an easy. We don't get any. What else? Templates. Those we didn't touch. By the way, it's a big difference the way this is a different topic. I won't get into it. ASGI versus WSGI. If you look, Rich is using only WSGI. That's big difference in performance, but I won't get into that now. So let's just leave it for now. If you see in the development, I didn't want to get into it. I don't know if I used the HAI. No, yes, I did. I did use the SGI. And if you look at the Rigi code, they use only WSGI. It's really like the differences between Ajax or not Ajax. Okay, but that's a whole big, huge topic. Let's leave that for now. This one is, I did touch that one. So I'm gonna copy it. And I will do, okay. Should I delete the whole things and then copy? What do you say? 'Cause there might be things there that I don't need them anymore. That's one of the, let's try it that way. What happened? Let's see what happened. I think I probably should do the same with what I did here with the templates. Where's the template supposed to be? Right here, isn't it? Okay. What else did we do? Requirements, I think it's the same, nothing else. That's it. This is really total different topics. Let's try it and see our luck.
Doctor,
Yeah,
what of the application of web companies?
which one?
The web companies application.
Yes.
I thought we also made some changes there.
Here?
No?
Yeah, we copied the whole things from the development.
I mean the web companies.
Which one?
Web companies. The down application.
Ah, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. So let me delete this one and put the other one.
Yeah.
You're right. Thank you. Okay. Let's see if we get an error. We should get an error. Wow. Correct. Trading. Yep. There's one more application that I added and I didn't copy it to here. Yep, I forgot about it. It's forgot what I tried to do here. What's the reason for this one? Yeah, this is something else. That's to come. What happened now? Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, doctor.
I don't know, my screen kind of. Yeah, okay, got back. Let me copy it. It's one more application I started developing. Probably in the US is there. By the way, in the US, I didn't really put it. So I will get an error. In the US, I think this one also the same, isn't it? Didn't I copy it exactly the same? Not sure, that's what scares me. Let me double check. So in the future we'll remember we got there. You take the whole thing, Sam. I think it's the same. Usually what I do is I go this way and see if I already have all of those the same. If I do, I just throw it away. Look the same. Yeah. Okay. And let's see the next scope. This one I don't really care. Okay. So easy to get lost. And, yep. Okay. Now the last two, we did the odd. We don't need those. And we have all those ones we did. All right. The one we did. We just copy them from there, in fact. So now, web companies we have. Web companies, we do. And now I can really check them this way. I think they are exactly the same. So next time we know we can always, if we do changes, we can just copy it exactly the way it is. Yeah, here we go. It's from here, I think. Globes, corporate, trading. See, trading, we don't have in there. So trading is the only one that we're missing. That should have to be after trade. Where is the trade? Right after here. Okay, which makes sense. Trading, pools, research, search, chat, video, deal bananas, and then we have include. Okay, that's what is that one? Yeah, I think I took that one out from here. Why did I take that one out? I don't remember. Don't remember why I took out that one. You take it out. And now we're going to here. There's a reason for why I didn't copy it. This one, I think. It's the only one I took it out. I don't know why. Okay, let's move on. Now we have all of those. Is there anything more? That's right.
I don't think there is any left now.
Let's see if it gets. Here we go. Education model, institution web. No major names, academy, city, apps, education. Documents, what that is. And the search. Okay, nobody cares. Suppose it should be this way, but let's see if it will work. It won't make a difference. I remember that arrow. Okay. Eh, you give me an error because my account not found. My account is not a valid view function of patron's name. Same errors we got before. Yeah. Did we do the user? I think we didn't do the user. Am I right?
Yes.
Forgot the user. Let's see. Okay. This is what we did. Okay. Okay, works. Others is pictures and all of that that we don't have, so I'm not gonna touch them. Right? How come I get those ones here? Do I have them in Academy City? Maybe yeah, I did it on my data. It's the same database. Yeah, yeah. I'm using the same database. That's a beautiful one. I don't need to do migrate. The migrate should be fine. If I get I shouldn't have a problem in migrate, but I'm using the same database. Unless I forgot something. No migrations to apply. You got it?
Yes.
It looks fine. Let's see, let's do a push. But this time, what do you say? Should we check more? Is there more things to check? Oops. Anything else to check more?
I don't think so.
The portfolio, let's see the portfolio. That was Jeremiah's project, is that right?
Yeah.
Yep, I'm missing statics. See that?
Yes.
So we didn't copy some static. Something that has to do with the statics of Jeremiah stuff. Let's see. Yeah, portfolio something here. Maybe we did. Oh, I forgot. Don't see anything that it's. I don't see any. What do you say, guys? One way to do it, it's to, let's see if there's any, we can look on static, that exists, that's an app not found. CSS style 1. See, portfolio, under the
Yeah.
style, we're missing portfolio. So there is a portfolio CSS. So let's see which one of those. The development, static, anybody, yeah, here it is. I don't know how I missed it. It's okay. See, nothing will, will not check anything. We don't have to. Is that the place? I was getting nervous. Academy City. Why the list is so smaller? Reduce. How come the list here is much smaller? I don't know. But has to be here. All right. Let's try that again. Let's see here. Still doesn't. Not found. The CSS, portfolio CSS style 1. How come? Did I copy it to the right place? Style 1, it's there. Okay. I think I might need to have to restart the server. No. It doesn't recognize that. Sure. How come? Is there? Yeah, I know why. Okay, it will work now. Okay. I think this is also, we figured it out. Is that right? Good. Any more, guys? What do you say, guys? Any more?
I don't,
Looks like okay. Good.
yes, it's fine.
I try our luck now. Let's do this one. This time it's changed directory project to, now we'll do git add minus a, and then git commit minus m amos a update from development July 2021. July 12. Let's put it this way. Okay. Look at all that. Okay. Now what does it say? Okay. Git push tw master and bingo. Okay. Now that it's up, I always do is I have another computer. Which is not connected. It's not connected to that. Let me try. I will just see. I will do a push to. I will do a pull and update the whole things. Bear with me a second. Just on a different computer. Just bear with me. Okay. I just need now several special. Wow, what is that? Okay. Okay, let's see. Is updating the server on the Amazon. Hopefully everything will go smooth. Let's give it a minute. I'll be right back. It will take him a little bit. Yep, why does it do that? Ah, yeah. Give me 2 minutes. It's why does it say it's up to date? It's not. Oh yeah, I did a git pull already. That's fine. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, it will take a minute to update the server.
Okay.
It has one more feet or one command. Cross your finger to that. I will have to do those demi-guide there. Okay, so far so good. Let's do that one, demi-guide. Should update the database. Okay, you did the migration, by the way. Interesting. I'm going to run something called collect static. It's collecting all those static stuff that you're putting in them in many places. On the server, it's putting them in one place. That's why we always give names under every static. We give different names so they won't get mixed up. And I will get to that, don't worry. Okay. Not really that important, it's stuff for you. Very good. Let me just do a check. Should be okay, but let me double check this command to see that. I think everything is okay. Looks like. Looks, I not see here. Okay. Oh, is it? Okay, it seems okay. The whole thing is running okay. Let me run a lot of things, and I can go back to the other one. Can't believe I didn't make a backup. I should have. Okay, beautiful. So let's go back to Academy City now, okay? Daniel and you guys, now it's the time to, let's see if we can, if we go to Academy City. Let's also see that everything is working. Yeah, okay, thank God. And I'm gonna go to the E. See that this one is working, beautiful. Let's do log out. Okay, takes us to this one. But I'm gonna do one thing. Hold a second, it should take me to this one. I don't know why. We will figure it out eventually. In fact, bear with me a second. Sign up. Log in. Log in. Okay. One thing that I would like to do is go to Academy City admin and check. Okay, with me, Daniel? That's important. I'm gonna go all the way
Yes,
out, down, all the way down. I'm gonna go to web companies. And in the Where's the education here? 7, is that right? 7 is an
Yeah.
education. And I'm going to go here and put Academy City. Let's see now if that will take me automatically. When I go here, let me close that one. When I go here now to Academy City, well, that will take me to the new version. You see that? Isn't it beautiful?
Yes.
You got it?
Yes.
Now, let me do log out. Let me, if that will take me to the same place. Yeah, it does. That's what I guessed. That's beautiful. This is our new webpage. This is it. Now, if you go, how about I give it you the sharing, Daniel? Go ahead. That's the beauty. This is really not a simple task to make it to work. What I would like you to do is go to Academy City. Only to Academy City, yeah? Just type Academy City. And that's which website you're getting. Isn't it cool?
Yeah, it is.
That's
Yes.
impressive, isn't it? Just by adding one thing. The beauty here, we can have other people using the same platform from different schools, like Academy City does. That's impressive. Now it's the real stuff. Okay, if you scroll down, scroll more down. See, here we don't have the links because we didn't put the data, correct?
Yes.
How about you go and put the data just, but you do it in Academy City. This is your baby now, Daniel.
Yeah.
This is really your baby, you know, this is real. This is our website. I need to work on this part. It's not working yet, but it will. And
No.
we have also to decide, as we talked about, remember, Daniel?
Yes, doctor.
We want to put here, we have courses. I will recommend, but think about it, and this is right now, software engineering 1, 2, and 3, or give them names, you know, think about, you know, you already know in software engineering, we have 3 courses. You
Yeah.
know what we did the first one. The first one was really understanding Python, databases, you know everything by now. The second one, we spent a lot on client side, JavaScript, Ajax, and all the other stuff. The third one is on applications, on collaboration, on working as a team, correct?
Yes.
Now, this is your baby. I think the first row should be for software engineering. Second one should be for machine learning. And we should have another row for finance, management, business. Okay?
Yeah.
So why don't you start with the first ones? Start thinking about at least the image, and the beautiful part, we can work together now. When we click on the first one, okay, we can start building up what the first one's supposed to be. Hey, I just didn't log in. I should log in. So because I'm not logged in, I cannot edit it, correct? Yeah, by the
Yeah.
way, why it doesn't like me? It's not going when I click on login. Maybe this, this, isn't it this one? No. Why is not working, Daniel? Can you click on login?
It works.
It should work.
Not in the document.
Yeah, but why it's from there is not working? Try the login. No, try the login.
Doesn't work.
Yeah, from here it goes, but we will check it, okay?
Yes.
The truth of the matter, eventually, we'll make sure that if somebody didn't log in, Good. So now go down, click on the first one, and you can edit it now. Well, we should be able to edit it. Maybe you are not an editor or what? Why are we not seeing the editing? I don't know. Yeah, that works. You are an admin. Maybe you have instructor also in here, Daniel? Let me check. That's pretty cool. Now you will start getting this web page all the time. Let's see, you as a user, are you instructor? I think the instructor doesn't allow you. I'm not remembering anymore. You know what? Hold a second. Let me log out, log in as, log in under mine. What is mine? Yep, that's okay. Now let's go here. It should give me editing, but I'm not getting editing. Why? I think I don't know why. Is your Python open?
Yeah.
I don't know why. This one was working, wasn't it?
Yes, it's working.
I will check it on my computer and see why. We should get, you see, we're getting the create, but we're not getting this stuff. Yep. Everything is good. I don't know. I don't know why we're not getting it here. I will check on it, okay? I thought to already start writing, but it's okay. Let's go. By the way, now we need to put everything in the institution. And the first one, it's Academy City already. So you have to already put everything here for Academy City. If we want different emails and everything, so you can change here. Okay? Footer, phrase, everything's, we need to put an address. Okay? GitHub link, Facebook. By the way, we said Facebook. Is that right? Yeah, it is. If we save it, okay, we'll continue checking and see. Yeah, Facebook should work now. Yeah, it is working. Beautiful. That's not the trivial things, is that right?
Yes.
This is really a piece of art. As we go along, it will be more and more sophisticated and bigger. This one we need to check. I don't know, we had a problem with it. I thought that we fixed it for some reason, but for some reason it's not working here. But I will take a look at this part. Fair enough? Daniel?
Yeah.
Don't worry
Yes.
about this part. Just don't touch this page, okay? If you're
Yes.
planning, okay? But I think that why don't you try to set up the information for the main page,
Okay, I will.
okay? You know, in the
Yes.
database, the icon here, work on the icon, make it to look nice, okay? So it's like, look. By the way, it's also good to look at, as I said, if you go here, more tools and developers, look at how it looks like. Here it is. It should be like here. I don't know why it doesn't move. Can you move it to the right a little bit? It's not moving to the right for some reason. Yeah, when you click here, it's supposed to show you how it looks like on a smartphone. It doesn't look that good. It doesn't. This is the way it would look like on a smartphone. Let's go to the main page. It's better than the one we had before, isn't it?
Yes.
For the smartphone is much better. We just need to change the content now the way it should be. We'll fix that one. So that page will not show there. I will change it. That's something else. I like it. I think it's much better, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I'm just really disappointed why this one didn't work. Okay. So let's see. 127, here we go. This is yours. This is the way it works on yours. Let's see if we go here. Correct? Maybe we screwed up something. Yeah, it works fine here. See that, Daniel?
Yes, doctor.
See? I have no idea. I really don't. I need to check why. See, this is beautiful. That's what I wanted you to start doing. It's okay. We'll finish it in a day or two. It'll be just fine. It's a big jump. I don't really know why it's not opening here, this one. I have no idea. I might do an upgrade to the type of Django. We'll see what happens. Okay. You have a lot to do, don't you?
Yes, doctor.
Hold a second, why do we get this one here? See that, Daniel?
Yes.
Now I understand. I think this one is inheriting from a different place. We need to fix it. Is that right?
Yes.
So let's work, don't touch it for today. How about we do it tomorrow? What do you say, guys? Why don't you start, just see what you need to do on Academy City? So we start looking much better, okay? And then
Okay.
for this bug, just make a list. We will work on them tomorrow.
Okay.
Now, I have to leave early tomorrow. So we can only do a session early in the morning if it works for you guys. Will that work for you guys?
What
Or
time? Bro?
let me check what time I need to be there. I always forget.
I think this
Let me check on this one.
you see
Bear with
already.
me a second. I'll tell you exactly what time.
Yeah. Like there is no time for you.
I have a long day tomorrow.
Yeah. What time to do? What to do? Show steadily up. Then do up. Then pass it down. Again. Option 20. Alright.
Okay. Tomorrow I'm starting at 2 o'clock. I'll have to leave here at 12:30. I can do whatever, but we have to finish by around 12. Does that work for you guys or is that too early?
Oh. No.
I really want to give a push. I'll be honest with you. We're spending a lot of time now. I just want to get to a point that our website start attracting people. We're losing people just because our web page doesn't look nice. Am I right, Daniel?
9 a.m. would work, Dr. Amos.
Can you handle it? 9 o'clock? You sure, guys?
Yes.
Okay, Daniel, Mildred.
Yes.
Where's
Yes,
Mildred?
Dr. Knight.
Jerome, how about you?
I can make it, I think.
Okay, it'll be really good. Are you making progress on your stuff?
Yeah, today I was actually doing some stuff. I want to finish putting the other links, then it will be able to connect on its own. There's just
Beautiful.
maybe a small part that I may need help with.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, honestly, I don't know if you're feeling, tell me if you're feeling the way I feel about it. Let me see you guys. Let me turn on my TV, my video too, you can see me. Let me see you guys. You know, in a lot of the projects, just especially like this, like you go to a college, you spend 3-4 years, and then you don't know really what you're getting. We spend here about a year, but we are touching the real. I mean, this upgrade of the website of Academy City, it's, you're really feeling control, don't you? You know, even if you're not 100%, you're still, at least you are not lost. Am I right?
Yes.
And I think we're getting to a point, we're getting close to, there are people that we're approaching them to do a work for them, we start appreciating. I tell you something that I felt in Chicago. There is a whole school there that would like to take the course. When they saw the website, they thought that we are not good enough. Because they're looking on the impression, the way it looks like. You know what I mean?
Yes.
But since we know how to do it, we will do it. And then people will start coming much more. And then we'll start appreciating the good stuff we do. It's like, Brenda, we're going to spend on the corporate valuation. That's a piece of art. When I show it to a really professional people, they say, wow. But when you show it to some analyst, they look at how beautiful it looks like and whatever. So now I'm redoing the corporate valuation and make it to look really nice. In addition, that it's extremely valuable. We have stuff there that nobody has. Take my word for it. And then I'm hoping in the next few months, we turn to a real consulting company. When you guys take the lead, you take the lead in the teaching, you take the lead in the marketing, you take the lead on getting customers, and it will start growing by itself. You will see. It's a process, it's a natural process. Thank God, I think we have a very good team. We just have to grow it. Okay? What about Mike? Are you guys in touch with him?
Yes, I think he's still left with some papers that he's doing.
He's finishing in December, as I understood. Will he be able to help you guys on the marketing?
Yes.
Yes, he will. I think he can do that.
Because I think that, you know, we're still waiting for the Fab House and we're waiting for this charity, but we should launch also our marketing. Now that our website, let's wait a little bit. And then, you know, until the end of this week, when we get our Facebook link, the Facebook is already linked, but we'll make the website looks a little more informative, okay? And then we can really launch a good marketing and people will start looking at it totally different, okay? Good. Jonathan, how are you?
Okay, doctor.
Jonathan,
Yes.
it's not, I'm not, your picture is freezing. Also Mildred. Mildred is also frozen. That's a good picture of you like that, but it doesn't move. Yeah. Start it again, let's see. She had a picture of like thinking too much. Yeah, here you are. How are you, sweetie?
I'm okay.
Mildred, you're up to speed?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, Jonathan is gonna be eventually the president, don't forget. You better behave to him. You never know. Okay, UCLA, it's a very good university, by the way. Jonathan, you should try to go there. I have a friend teaching there. It's a very good university. Very good in California.
Yes.
It's really, you know what UCLA mean? University of California in Los Angeles. All the beautiful girls are there. The blonde and all of that. You want to go and study there.
Sure, I'm hard to laugh.
It's also a very good school. It's a very good school. It's
No,
one
it's,
of the
it's one
best.
of the best universities. That's the
One
truth.
of the best. It really is one of the best. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow at 9, okay?
Okay.
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 Bye, sweetie. Bye. Good luck.